Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change your country on your app store. So let's get started. So first of all, open the app store on your iPhone, then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Make sure you are signed in to your Apple ID. Tap on your name or Apple ID. This will prompt Face ID verification or password entry. Wait. Okay, after you signed in, then you can change your country or region. Tap country, this country or region, just simply click on it. Choose your new country from the list, for example like Austria or Azerbaijan, and that's it. Tap agree to accept Apple's terms and condition, and select a payment method or choose none if available. Fill in a valid billing address for the new country, including street address, city, postal code, phone number, and that's it. Just click on next. Your job is done. If this video was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.